We are going to use Avery Design and Print today to make chart labels. The first thing we need to know about Avery Design and Print is that it exists in the Internet Cloud. So to get there, we're going to choose Google Chrome. So Google Chrome started up, and notice 3 tabs open up in Google Chrome. The third one says Clara's House Docs. So we click on Clara's House Docs and go to the bottom of the first page that opens up, and we see a link to Avery Design and Print. So we're clicking on that, and that'll take us to the Avery website. So now there are, across the top, 4 tabs. There are 4 steps to using the label maker in Avery. First step is we choose a label stock. So we're going to use number 5160. That fits our 30 labels per page that we have. So I click on 5160 to highlight it, and then I go to the right and select the green button that has select this template as its label. So click, and it opens up the design tab, and we are going to select the horizontal label. So we click the button select this design, and now we close this. This is a little explanation. So we're going to close that, and we are going to select edit all because we want the same print on all 30 labels. To the left are some choices for editing. We're going to choose text. It creates a text box, so we're going to say add text box, and we're going to resize it. So now we have a text box. It's going to be resized, and I'm going to indent a little bit, and then I'm going to start typing. First thing you have to do is erase this text. The first line is the name of the patient, so we're going to put last name, comma, first name. Maggie Wood is our patient. Her date of birth, DOB, colon, and then the date, 1/21/2004. Her gender is female, and her chart number, we put ID # colon, and then the number of her chart. And now we're finished typing. Double check your data, and then when you're ready to go to step 4, click on the green button in the bottom right, print and preview. So now we have a preview of our page. We want to select from print options on the right, print it yourself. So click on print it yourself, and then the next choice is get PDF to print. So we click on that. We are not going to save this because we do not want patient data stored in the cloud, so don't save. And now it brings up a screen with printing tips. We are just going to say open PDF. Now we have a sheet, and we should already have label stock in the printer, and we click the print button, and then just follow through with printing our labels as we normally would. So that's it for our new Avery Design and Print in the Cloud software.